How's it going, everyone? Haircut Justin here. You like it? Showing off my new cut. Look at that. Ooh. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show you basically part 2 to my trading strategy. Now, this is completely optional. This is not something you have to do at all. Basically, in other words, this is how I catch double the profit after one of my trades hit take profit 3. This is something that I've only been teaching to my one-on-one session students. I haven't been teaching it at all publicly. So when people pay or do a free one-on-one session, I only teach it to them, but I've decided to share it with everyone now here on YouTube. One thing I need to note before I play the video is that if you haven't already learned my trading strategy, if you're brand new to this channel, if you know nothing of what I'm talking about right now, then I'll leave a link down below to part 1 of my trading strategy. I have 3 simple rules, okay? You have to remember the reason why people aren't, it's a news event. The reason why people aren't successful in trading, one of the main reasons is because they don't have a list of rules. As an example, are you just getting into trades because you're saying, you know what? It broke a trend line. Let me sell it. You know what? We just hit Fibonacci. I'll buy it. If you're getting in on a whim, and if you're just getting in because something happened and you don't really know why you're getting in, you're going to lose long term. You need to have a list of rules. Rule 1, 2, 3, and if at least one of those rules are missing, you don't get into the trade. Problem here is that you'll get into trades whenever you see something, but you don't have any rules behind it. Stop getting in out of emotion and get in out of logic. Here, my trading strategy is based on logic, and you're going to see my part 2 of it. So again, if you haven't already watched part 1 of how I trade, I'll leave a link down below for that. It's 45 minutes long only because it was a recording of an entire session I did with someone, but the strategy is so simple, it'll only take you about 10 seconds to learn. It's so simple, a 5-year-old can do it. So grab some popcorn, put your feet up on your table while you're sitting on your couch doing whatever. Enjoy the video. It's a pretty short video today, but this one's pretty much going to change your entire trading career. Pretty much. Now let me show you the little secret technique that I don't really share with many people. You ready?
Okay.
When you follow my strategy, when you get into a trade, for example, so we're at the key zone of support. We see the John Wick and bullish engulfing candle.
Yeah.
When you get into a setup like this, either John Wick or tweezer, doesn't matter. With my strategy, if the trade hits take profit 3, which is up here, most of the time, it's going to shoot all the way back to where the John Wick or tweezer started. Do you see that? Wow. So most of the time, and this only counts if it hits take profit 3. It has to hit take profit 3, which is up here. So now you see why I say I only get into trades based on the highest zone and the lowest zone.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you other examples as well that I got into. But tell me, what letter did this thing form? Up, down,
I think
up.
Letter M?
Yeah, a letter M. So
Yeah.
it formed a big letter M.
Yeah.
A big M, up, down, up. So this is the market in a nutshell. M's and W's, right?
Yeah.
So now let me pull up US 30, show you another example. Was it US 30 or was it gold? I forgot. I think it was both. So look at this. Support, 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 support. We have a tweezer bottom right here.
Yeah.
And then a bullish engulfing candle right here.
Engulfing candle, yeah.
Take profit 1, take profit 2. Your take profit 2 could be any of these, doesn't matter. But basically your take profit 3 is right here. Once it hit take profit 3, what happened?
You reverse back.
And what letter is this? Up, down, up, down.
Letter M.
Right? It's like it's deformed M, but if you look carefully, you can see it.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me show you. I think it was gold. Yep, here was gold. All right. This is one example where it didn't fully hit take profit 3, but it was close. All right. So support, 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 support. What setup is this?
Yeah, John Wick.
John Wick. We have a bullish engulfing candle right here, this blue one. Didn't happen right away, but it happened after this red one. So this blue one engulfed the previous candles. So that's our bullish engulfing candle. That's our confirmation. Our take profit 3 would be up here.
Yeah, normally, yeah.
So we didn't go all the way. We were about 200 pips away from hitting that take profit, right? Which in US 30, that's pretty close. But it almost hit take profit 3, but look what happened. It went all the way back to where the John Wick started. Let me show you the other one, Euro AUD. Okay, tell me, what type of zone is this?
Wow. Okay, that's the resistance.
Yes, resistance. And then what do you see right here?
Wow.
Yep, tweezer top, bearish, tweezer top,
candle.
bearish engulfing. Yep, exactly. Wow. So where would our take profit 3 be?
Take profit 3?
Yep.
Take profit trade will be I think 1, 2, 3 directly down, straight down, yeah, and directly it started reversing.
Yep. So right here would be take
Yeah.
profit 3. Remember what I said with my strategy. If your trade hits take profit 3, that's a good sign. It'll do what?
It's going to reverse directly to your entry.
Right back. Yep. Right back to where the tweezer started.
Yeah.
You used to be so heartless, and so I gave you mine, but you threw it away so casually and left me here to cry. Now you're back here on my doorstep in the middle of the night. Well, I've nothing left to give, and I won't take you back this time.